Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. So if you want to fix it, it's really easy. As you can see here, I'm right now in the Shopify dashboard. On the left side, you will see this online store option. Go and click here. Once you click here, automatically you will be in the theme section. On the right side, it will just open up. Now here we have to go and click on customize, right? And once you're here, you will see that this is a website which you can customize, right? You can do all the changes, but how you can fix a mobile section. So here on the top right, you will see this option of mobile. Go and tap on it. Once you tap on it, as you can see here, this is how your website will look inside in the mobile view. So if you want to fix it, it's really easy. You have to just make sure the changes which you want to do it. For example, if I want to do the feature changes, I can see here, I can change each and everything, right? Because sometimes in the, for example, I can just go and select number of columns on the desktop. It could be 5, but here in the phone section it doesn't look good, but in the laptop or PC section it's look good. But in the phone section, as you can see here, there's an open space, so I can just go here, select 24, and automatically it will look good. So these are the small changes. You should just be careful about it whenever you're just making your website over Shopify. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.